Have you ever wondered what information your child's school keeps about their academic journey, or perhaps what records your college maintains about your own progress? Knowing what information is collected and how to access it can be a powerful tool for educational advocacy. The process to obtain student educational records is clearly defined by federal law, granting parents and eligible students the right to review and inspect these documents. This right is guaranteed by the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, commonly known as FERPA, which ensures transparency and control over sensitive academic information. FERPA, or the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, is a landmark federal law that protects the privacy of student educational records. It applies to all educational institutions that receive funds from the U.S. Department of Education. Under FERPA, parents of students under 18 and students themselves once they turn 18 or attend a post-secondary institution gain specific rights. These include the right to inspect and review records, request amendments to inaccurate records, and have some control over the disclosure of personally identifiable information. Schools are required to provide access to these records within a reasonable time, not exceeding 45 days after receiving a request. So, how do you actually go about obtaining these records? First, identify the specific school or educational institution that holds the records you need. Next, you will need to submit a written request to the school administration. This request should clearly specify the particular records you wish to inspect or receive copies of. Being precise helps the school locate the documents efficiently. Once your request is received, the school is obligated to respond and arrange for your review within that 45-day timeframe. If anything is unclear, do not hesitate to ask for clarification from the school officials. It is crucial to always make your request in writing, ensuring you have a clear record of your communication. This practice helps track the timeline and serves as documentation if any issues arise. Furthermore, knowing that schools must provide access within 45 days gives you a specific expectation. If a school denies your request or fails to meet this deadline, you have the right to file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Education's Privacy Technical Assistance Center. This step can escalate your concern and help ensure your rights are upheld. Understanding your rights under FERPA and knowing the straightforward process to obtain educational records empowers you to become a more effective advocate for yourself or your child. This access to information allows you to stay informed about academic progress, ensure the accuracy of personal data, and make well-informed decisions about educational pathways, ultimately supporting greater success in the learning journey.